So, a Powerflex Dogbone mount insert for the Seat Leon. Doesn't make a big difference to the car and is easy to install. In this video, I'm going to show you the installation process for the insert and let you know my final thoughts on how the car feels afterwards. Let's go. Hey there, I'm Kev and this is North Coast Workshop, where you'll find content on car modifications, mechanical DIY, detailing and custom creations. In this video, I'm going to show you the process for installing a Powerflex Dogbone insert on the Seat Leon Mark II. Right, so first up, I spray the Dogbone bush on the car with WD-40. This just helps loosen any dirt inside the bush and hopefully get it to run out, and then also lubricate the surface so that the new bush can go in easier. Once the Powerflex bush has been greased up with the sachet that comes in the packet, I then push it in by hand as best I can. As you can see, it won't go in very far by hand, so I use a trolley jack and a piece of wood to press it into position. Now time to get the bolt out. This was a lot harder than I thought it would be. The bolt is pretty well stuck in. So first of all I tried to use an electric rattle gun. That was no use. So then I just used a long bar instead with a 21mm socket on the end and gradually managed to get it out. Now there's a piece of wood here in the picture between the sump of the engine and the subframe. This was what I thought might help take some of the pressure off the bolt if this was constantly pushing into the bush. Once I finally got the bolt out, you can see the condition of it. I then used a trolley jack and the piece of wood and pressed the insert the rest of the way in. Next up, the smaller washer gets put in place. This acts as a spacer between the bush and the Dogbone insert and stops the larger washer from compressing the insert too much. Then the larger washer goes on top, and finally a brand new bolt to go back in. Some people say a new bolt's not required, but after the condition of the old one, I'm glad I purchased a replacement. The new bolt can be put in quite far by hand and then tightened the rest of the way with a ratchet. And then finally, it has to be torqued up. On online forums, there's a discussion between whether it's 75 or 96 pounds-foot of torque to be applied to this bolt. In this instance, I applied 75, but there's nothing wrong with applying 96 pounds either. So that's it. The Powerflex insert is in place, quite a straightforward installation process, and now we've got to go and test drive the car to see how it feels. So what can I say? First of all, starting the car up, you can instantly feel the insert in place. The vibrations of the engine starting actually come through the cabin of the car quite a lot. When the car engine is at low revs, whether you're pulling away in first or reversing, this is where you tend to feel more vibration through the car than you'd be used to. Now once you're on the move with the car, the insert tends to show its benefits. This is where gear changes are a lot crisper and there's no more energy being sapped by the old Dogbone bush. Other drivers that have the insert have reported that they do get softer over time, so this may happen. If not though, I might go and purchase the red Powerflex bush insert, which is designed for diesel cars and is slightly softer. And obviously, as you'd expect, I won't need to bring you a how to fit a red Dogbone insert, but if I do fit one, then I'll let you know how I'm getting on with it and what a difference it's made compared to the yellow one. And thank you all for watching the video, much appreciated. If you've liked what you've seen, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for more content. Cheers.